to everyone from Uruguay, Montevideo, for a second flight. Now we leave Juan Pedro family Plaza in the park in city center of Montevideo. There's nice building. I think Spanish building, Spanish style. There's a cancha. History of Montevideo. Avenida 18 de Julio, Avenida 8 de Julio, 1939 and 42. Memories of Montevideo. Here is small city Montevideo for 1 day or 2 days. It's not here. There's a fountain of the padlocks. There are many locks here. Very cute with coffee. Carlos Garden. Nice lights.